today's episode of FowlCo Behind the Blind, we have a creature called Josh Teff that runs over curbs, as well as JD Black that comes and helps him in times of need. Watch as these two will change the tire and save us.
I thought I was just going to get back and eat a little dinner and hang out.
No, not here.
I had to come to Enid.
That's all you got?
What's he thinking, brother?
The second smallest.
I'm glad I wasn't driving.
It goes back to the old saying. How many people does it take to screw in a light bulb? That many.
Welcome to another beautiful day here in the paradise of Josh Teff's driving.
Episode 3, FowlCo Beyond the Blind. Things are heating up around here. We have a lot of birds and cannot wait for you to see these epic hunts.
First day of duck season today, boys, and guess what we going after? A dry field duck hunt with a few geese around. So I'm optimistic, hoping this is going to be a good day. Opening day, boys. It's time to get it.
There's tons of birds out here last night, so it's gonna get greasy.
Yeah.
113, baby!
Still got one coming.
113! Give me some!
Dang, did y'all see the pintails today? Oh my gosh, the pintails.
I'm AJ Bainey. This is FowlCo Outfitters. There's a nice plane for you this morning, Mino, Oklahoma. Remember, tip your bartenders.
Fun. F-U-N.
Oh,
Would you just look at it? Just look at it.
Would you look at it? Just look at that. Would you just look at it?
What are we doing, Tanner?
Trying to get us a rubber ducky out of the old duck catcher. Down here is the... Oh. You didn't even try. I want that big green one back there, though. Okay. We're going to try this one with you guys. Alright. Let's see if we can wrangle us a flat. The duck hunter's going to
Should I try to get that? Which one should I get? I ain't going to get that.
Oh, this is ridiculous.
Try to get that pink one right there.
It won't even go in far enough.
So the boys have been saying that they wanted to do a hunt with just them. Get the clients to the field, communicate with them, and just kind of handle everything. So it was perfect because we got to rest a little bit this morning. And they went up to Jet, hunted with some friends of ours, Brock and Fred at Western Plain Waterfowl, and they absolutely waxed them.
I start calling him Harold Long Days because he only comes out when there's century marks hit. Man, today was special. That's all I gotta say. Today was special.
You know how it goes. I mean, some days you get them, some days you don't. I mean, yeah, what do you do?
Gassed. I can't talk.
No, on too many calls.
What y'all say about it?
Oh, dude, we are beating on him, baby.
But, you know, when the best of the best is around, the best happens.
It ain't coincidence. It ain't coincidence. You don't get one like this every day. No way.
Got the record, 166.
Yep, my first 100 stack too, so I'll take the record. Take them both. Well, why not?
Can't ask for him to decoy much better, ain't that right, Slick?
We selected him down today.
Yeah, I was on the previous record, and this was quite a bit better hunt. There's a lot more volleys, it seemed like. Geese worked better. It got nasty. I mean, at one time, how many do you think we had landed? Oh, 150 plus. 150 plus we had landed in the kill hole with God knows how many above it. This hunt was...
If you'd have called it on them Rossies, that balled up there.
Oh, I know. I know.
Oh, well. Just hovering above us.
166, Harold, how you feel?
The record, baby. The record.
So we made a big memory here at FowlCo this year. Every single one of us had an experience as a waterfowler that we've never had before. We put some footage out of a bunch of geese landing and the decoys, and kind of what you guys are about to see is just everybody's reaction to replaying what we all witnessed on the last day of the split.
This is fun because this was a fun one. That hunt was nasty.
You ready?
Dude, and then this is where it starts. This is when it was one of the most special things we've ever witnessed in Goosefield. Because for the next 4 minutes, it's just steady little geese landing in a spread and putting their heads right down the feet.
I probably won't ever see something like that again, honestly. Landing that many in the decoys, like all in the kill hole like that.
As soon as that first flock started getting down, I was like, oh, this might get really nasty.
And it was just a few, and then all of a sudden the whole mass started to turn and kind of line up together, and they start to come down. So, you know, we're used to calling the shot on this first wave. Like right here, you're like, there's 100 geese in the decoys right now.
Taff asked me if I wanted to take them right here, and I said, no, sir. I said it explicit, but I said, no, sir, we're not taking them right here.
Teff was getting a little antsy, but as soon as he figured out all of them were going to do it, I think he calmed down a little bit.
Looking back at it now, listening, I'm pretty sure Teff was ready to shoot the whole time.
Video, you can hear Teff and AJ just back and forth, whether shoot them or not. But they just kept working, kept landing and landing.
Man, it accumulated to where group after group kept landing, and it's, hey, do you want to shoot them now? No. Wait, like this is something you'll never see in your life. Like I said, just take it all in.
And it's just like the craziest thing ever. I don't know if we'll ever see anything like this again. We've landed a lot of geese this year, but I've never seen this many. I've never seen this many land at one time.
It's probably one of the most crazy things I've ever seen. I ain't never seen anybody land 1,500, 2,000 birds in a field.
I don't know what it's like to be addicted to something like hard drugs or anything, but it felt like I was a junkie, and that's what I was chasing. I was like, just take it in. I was like, you got to take this in. There's a high of some sort.
Just landing that amount of birds like in the spread at one time, and they all sit and stay and don't get up. Just as comfortable as they were staying in the decoys and not moving.
That was just unbelievable. There are so many in that hole. It is insane. This is unreal.
What a show.
I think we're about to shoot right here, right after this last group gets down. And the RAINOUT was unbelievable.
And when that whole bottom fell out, it was like, oh my gosh, what have we done?
Once y'all see that, you're gonna know.
And then just pure blown carnage. Bring out the yellow tape is really the first thing that went in my head.
Oh my gosh, Tuco, there goes Tuco. I sent Tuco, he goes out in the field and dude, he has no idea which bird to pick up.
The spread looked like it was crawling after the kill shot.
It's like just fist blowing through him. I was freaking out after we had that ran. I was geeking out.
We ended up with 124 geese in that one volley. I don't know if we'll ever do it again. I don't think we will.
Oh my gosh. Dude, that's one we're going to remember for the rest of our lives.
Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in this week. Please like, share, and subscribe. Tune in for more episodes as we release them this season. This season's been unbelievable, and we plan on keeping it that way.